Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be talking about a little bit of an issue that's been going around on YouTube, and that is the issue of people just straight up stealing other people's videos and re-uploading them. So this is a case that I just found recently of one of my videos. I got a notification saying new copyright matches found, and it's literally 100% of my video. There's not even like any changes. There's one change he made, which is that he put a pitch changer on so that you wouldn't be able to immediately tell. I guess he was doing that to hopefully avoid anyone noticing that he'd stolen it. He got 2.1 thousand views on this. I'm just going to go ahead and play a little bit of the video.
Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the worst hacked client for Minecraft 1.19.4. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down.
Sounds a little bit cringy, to be honest, with the the little high pitched voice. 23 people liked it. This is not particularly good. I see in this particular case, most of this is alright. I see one malicious link, I think, but I believe, and possibly the CurseForge, I'm not sure about that. I think the Fabric installer might be okay. But what people are doing, which you got to be aware of this, is they'll download one of my hacked client tutorial videos, re-upload it, and then provide malicious links. So as you can see, worst hacked client link, that is quite obviously not the link to the real worst hacked client. I'm not sure about the CurseForge one. That could be legit, but then the uploads could be dodgy. I don't know. The Fabric installer, I think that looks pretty legit. I'm not going to click this link because I don't know what sort of junk it's going to download. But this is definitely not the link to the worst hacked client. So just be aware of that. This isn't the first time that this has happened. I've had this happen a few times. People just downloading the video, re-uploading it. They might make a minor change. Usually they don't even change the video at all. In this case, he has pitch changed it a tiny bit so that it sounds a little bit original. And then they'll provide malicious links, either in the comments section or in this case in the description, and the comments turned off so that no one can comment, hey, don't download this. So yeah, just be aware, don't go around downloading dodgy stuff. I must stress that there is a lot of stuff going around there. Usually I try and take them down as quick as possible, or I'll leave a comment saying, don't download this. Yeah, just watch out for those malicious links that people have been re-uploading. And yeah, it's lucky that YouTube now provides a notification for when someone steals 100% of your video. I'm not sure how much of a percentage of the video has to be stolen for them to notify you. So far, all the ones I've gotten, it has been 100% of the video. As you can see, it'll show you who stole it and how many views they got on the stolen video. And you can take it down. I will probably take it down after this little recording that I've made here. So yeah, don't do this, please. If you get permission, I guess it's fine from the creator. But this is really annoying, especially when there's malicious links involved. Yeah, thanks for watching, and just my little rant. Goodbye.